Ni hao guys, and welcome back to another video. This is a short tutorial on how to set up Alipay and WeChat Pay in 2025, so stay tuned. So we are beginning with Alipay, which is the most important app in China you need to have. So first of all, go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, download Alipay, and then agree to the conditions. Type in your phone number. Enter the verification code you will receive via message. Select now your country or your region on your ID. And now you can add a foreign credit card or debit card. So now you should see right on the main screen the option you can click on Add Now for a new bank card. So enter the payment password first. You have to repeat it once again. This is the password you have to enter every time you do a payment in the stores. So afterwards you have to fill in your credit card details, then also enter the verification code. If this Add Your Bank Account button is not on your main page, go to Account and then Bank Card, and then you can add this there. In some cases it is necessary to verify your information, so go to your account and then to the settings wheel. Go to security and then identify informations. Now fill everything out there. Okay, if you're in a store and want to pay, there's two options. First option, you go to the button Pay and Receive and show the vendor your personal QR code. They scan it and then the payment is complete. Sometimes you have to enter your payment code, which you set it up first. And the second option is you go to Scan and then you scan the QR code from the vendor and then you enter the code and make the payment. It's also a good advice that everyone you are traveling with is using Alipay because you need it for the metro and payment and so on though. So now let's talk about WeChat. First of all, you have to register on WeChat, so go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download WeChat. Open WeChat, tap Sign Up and then choose your country code and enter your phone number. Wait for the code and enter it there. Sometimes it now shows you a QR code with a friend verification. So if you don't have a friend which is using WeChat for at least 6 months, you have a little issue right now. But I recommend you 2 tips I have. First tip is you can contact the WeChat support on this number here. They can personally verify your account. This is at least worth a try, right? And the second one is also you can search on Facebook or maybe on Reddit for some groups, for some people verifying you. If you figured out now how to create a WeChat account, this is now how to set up the WeChat payment. You go to Me and then go to Pay and Services and then to the wallet and bank cards and add a bank card. Enter all your informations here and wait for the information code, and that's literally all. Also good to know is WeChat is formerly known there as Weixin, and so it's also called Weixin Pay. So if someone says Weixin Pay, this is actually WeChat Pay. Most of the time I use Alipay because most people do have it, and I recommend you to use Alipay more because it's a little more easy to use, and yeah, I just have WeChat Pay for backup. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope this was a helpful guide for Alipay and WeChat. So hit the like button, leave a nice comment and subscribe to the channel would be really nice. And yeah, see you in the next one. We need WeChat. Luckily we downloaded it and we go to scan. We to scan it and there it is. We have all the drinks here. And I'm going for a Coke. So it's 5 RMB, that's completely cheap. So, and going to make the order and see you when the robot knocks at the door. Look who has arrived.